Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Welcome back to part 2 of this General Electric Sportmate. This radio is built, I believe, early 60s. That's what the brochure shows. So it was built for outdoor use, for any type of activity, camping, fishing, hunting, and it built very well. I mean, it's pretty solid. So especially in 60s, they used to build with a great quality. My understanding, majority of the 60s was built here in the United States, majority of parts. I received parts that I ordered from Amazon, those battery connection. So in this session, we're gonna try to put those things back together the way that we don't damage the plastic. I'm trying to find a way to do it. I don't want to burn the plastic. When you solder, the solder iron is so hot, so you don't want to damage anything. Also, I try to make a sticker for the speaker. I find some online and try to duplicate that. And earphone cannot find it. So I have a few different sizes, none of them fit. So I'm going to do my best to create something for it in this session. I appreciate it for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for messaging me and encourage me to move on. Really, I make all these videos for brand new person who get into the hobby. It is a wonderful hobby, and hopefully these videos help you guys to restore, rescue those old radio and just enjoy listening to them. Keep them for the future generation. Hope you enjoy this video. You all have a great day. Take care. I also had this in the bag, the bag this plastic bag. And it seems like this goes right here. Because there's a 2, it does not go there. There's no way it's going to go there. It should go right here. I promise you this is where it goes. Because it makes sense, to cover this, protect this from the battery. And then flip here. There's 2 screws. There's those 2 screws going to hold it. I have 2 options. One, to glue this back together, or make another one like this. See here, fall apart here. And there's a 2 options. I can use my favorite glue to fix this, or recut everything with a new, like a cardboard. That's all it is a cardboard. All right, let's work on this one. I came with a third idea. You know how I am, keep everything original if it's possible, or keep the part if it's possible. I'm going to use this glue. This is the one already diluted with water. I don't want to be so thick glue. That's why I have 2 of them. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue the back of this. Okay. I put this right here over other cardboard like that. Straighten it out. Now I'm going to glue the top. Trying to see if I can use the same, cardboard. It has a nice design to it. Let's see if we can save this. Okay, now wait until dry. Alright, this is set. It's totally dry. Now they're going to cut this off. I'm going to get a smaller screwdriver to go through this thing. Okay. Twist it like this. Get a larger hole. Okay. Okay. See? Before we install it, I'm going to bend it like that. Exactly where it was bent before. Okay. All right. So this is installed. All right, what I'm trying to do, make a sticker for the speaker. And I went online, find a picture, This radio, I'm going to put it up here. I used just a regular, they call it, I believe, paintbrush. It comes with Microsoft. I keep shrinking it and clean it up and print it. So finally I print something like this. I think it will fit here. It's perfect fit. So I'm going to cut it with the scissors and try to see if it fit or not. Let's see if this works or not. Okay. Let's see if this is fit. Yeah, perfect fit. See? Perfect fit. And we'll just glue it in there. Is this necessary? Not really, but I do it because I like to see if it's possible doing this type of stuff. It's like a challenge to me. All right. It seems like it works. Let's glue it on. Anything you see that I'm doing, if you want a copy of it, just contact me and I will be glad to send you, those that you can add it to your radio too, so you don't waste a lot of time. All right, let me get the glue and glue it. Of course, I'm going to use this glue, used for almost everything. It worked very well. And this is not diluted. As you see, I have two of them. This is the straight out of the bottle. Okay. To protect it, I'm going to put a little glue over it. If I don't do this, it will fade. When it dries, it's going to be totally clear. That's what I like about this glue. You can even take some extra one off by doing this. I don't want too heavy. And that should be fine. Let it dry. All right, I checked everywhere and could not find that little screw goes headset. So I had to come up with the idea to fix this. So what I did, I got a pen like this. It's one of those pens that you press, it works, So I took this out of the pen. This is the portion that you press the pen like that. And so the top of it, which I already cut, you see it's already been cut. And the top of it, it fits here just perfect. Let me take it out and show it to you. I already painted like black, but this was right in top of this, like that. I cut that off. So it has also like a place that you actually can hold on and screw this tie inside. I hope that makes sense, So this is going to be like that. It goes right here. All right. I have many size and but did not have this size. So this size. So I had to come up with something that this can hold into this hole in this case. All right. And I tried. It worked perfect. After, of course, you cut this, you have to sand it to make sure it's thin enough. And so it fit here because it was a little longer. All right, so that problem is solved. Now, I just received through Amazon those clips for the battery. I'm going to try to install that. That's going to be next. Let me get them. This is how they look like. So I got all of them. See, I took a picture. This is how it was, right? That's why I take pictures, so I remember how everything goes, back together. So here I fit the wire here first, through the hole I fit them right here, because I didn't want to do what manufacturer did. They installed those, then when they heat it up, you see, when they heat up, all this plastic, it burned through the plastic. I don't want to do that. you know, I'm trying to find a better way. So I fit the wire through here, through the hole. I solder it. You know, it's already soldered with a solder gun. Now the only thing I have to do, bring this thing down here and just press this inside. Okay, you see it like that? So it went in. Now I'm going to press it down. Center it if it's possible. You see that one is set. And I did not heat up, especially you cannot get over there to, you know, make any solder. So now I'm going to cut this somewhere on here. And this one connect right to this one. So I'm going to leave an extra wire. Same thing, send it through and do it from other side. So I'm going to put some extra wire here. Plus here. Let's cut it right here. See, perfect. You can solder it and press it in. Just take a little bit off like that. Twist it. All right. This goes here. Right through this hole. And this one, this is where the should be soldered right here. Okay. It doesn't need tons of solder, just a little bit. Let it cool off. Don't install it yet, because you burn this plastic. That's what they did. If they just did it this way, then it would be much better. So again, the same thing. You press this like that. It's almost in the center. We adjust it. Okay. You see, that's installed too. And we have enough wire that I can just twist it like this. The yellow goes from here to here. And another yellow from here to here. Negative going to hook up to that side, positive to this side. So let me work on those yellow wires first. Same concept again. No, I'll be honest with you, I don't know why manufacturer put all these are negative. Put negative for everything and instead put negative here, positive. So there's a carbon barrier you could use, or you use mercury. I think that's why they put this type of negative everywhere. And again, it made more sense, you know, for the new one to put positive. But I was trying to keep it as original, so I ordered exactly what the radio came with. But you know, if you can put all the up there positives. So this is fine too. You see, it's much better this way. You know, you're not going to burn already this plastic all burned out. You know, I don't want to heat it more than it's really have to. I bought 20 of them, you know, I have other transistor radios. So you can fix those as well. Hopefully this work with them. Okay, the last two. These two, they're going to hook up to. Let's double check one more time. Red goes here and green there. So let's install red here first. All right. This is the last one, of course. All right, folks, they're all in. Now I need to figure out how all these wires goes here. I'm going to take this thing that I made for it off. Make sure they're not touching each other. Okay, they're separated from each other now. And these are the things you have to watch out. Otherwise, you wouldn't install it to say, why it's not working? All right. need to install this. This was like that. Let's check the picture to make sure. So we install it correctly. This goes right here. The screws goes here. Let's put the screws in. Again, that's why you take pictures. I'm not going to remember if I don't take pictures. Okay, let's put those two screws in. They're the long, skinny one. I assume this is a speaker transformer because it goes to the speakers. Again, don't make them too tight. These are plastic when they get messed up. Just as soon as stop, let it go. See, stop, let it go. Okay. There's a little clip here. I'm thinking this is where you hold all these wires. Like this. I guess. This might go like that. I'm trying to figure this out. That's why I made this. Next time when I take this stuff apart, I'm going to put them together right away. Alright, at least temporary is there. There's enough space here to work. Maybe like that. And somehow I have to hold it from the bottom so it doesn't turn. And tie this thing. Okay. That's good enough. It's almost leveled here, that's fine. Alright, let's figure out the rest. I am thinking the wires goes this way here. That's where they put this cloth here. This cloth right here. So this goes here like that. See how much wires there? Ridiculous. Alright folks, the batteries in. It was pretty tough because they used two negative. It's pretty tough to install them. What I did, I put the positive there, then used the screwdriver to bend this and press the the battery in. So all the fours are installed, and so it's looking good. Not bad at all. It's very heavy radio, as I mentioned before, and has a little dent here. That's when I purchased it. That's the way it was. Let's put the back on. Okay, the back panel is in. This video is to be continued. On part 3, we're going to create one of these bolts for the radio, the missing bolt. Then we're going to do our best to preserve the case on this radio. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day and stay tuned. Take care. I want to take the opportunity and thank you for taking your valuable time watching these videos. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.